Saying ooh, said ooh, ooh, that lazy love. I'm officially the opposite of early. I gotta go downstairs. Everybody waiting down there for me. But I roll over into your curly. That sexy body, oh so nice and curvy. Reminiscing on last night. Wake up, baby, let me get it one more time before. I gotta go, I got responsibilities I gotta take care of. That's when you wrap them legs around me and I fall victim to that lazy love. You got that I don't wanna go nowhere. That lazy love. You got that I don't wanna do nothing. You got that lazy love. You got that I don't wanna do nothing. That lazy love. You got that I don't wanna do nothing. Damn baby, that was good. I'm gonna hit the shower, even though I'm about 2 hours late. But I can't help it, man. If they knew what I knew, they would understand. I'm watching last night off, time to boss up. When suddenly on my back I feel a soft touch. She right behind me, water glistening off her body, looking at me like one more